Bancassurance refers to the partnership between banks and insurance companies where banks distribute insurance products to their existing customer base through their branch network and digital channels. In India, this model emerged strongly after economic liberalization in the early 1990s, when financial sector reforms encouraged competition, innovation, and customer-centric services. Earlier, banks focused mainly on deposits and lending. But over time, they began expanding into fee-based services to diversify income and improve profitability. Bancassurance became a natural extension because banks already had trust, reach, and customer data. A practical example can be seen in large public sector banks collaborating with life insurers to offer savings-linked insurance plans to salaried customers. This integration not only improves customer convenience by providing multiple financial solutions under one roof, but also helps banks generate stable non-interest income while insurers gain access to a vast distribution network across India today. The evolution of bancassurance in India accelerated with the establishment of the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, which created a structured framework allowing banks to act as corporate agents, brokers, or partners with insurers. These regulations ensured customer protection, transparency, and suitability while enabling banks to distribute multiple insurance products depending on their licensing model. Over time, the approach shifted from simple product pushing to need-based selling, where customer financial goals, risk appetite, and life stage are assessed before recommending solutions. Consider a case where a sector bank redesigned its sales process after regulatory guidance emphasized suitability. Instead of selling a single policy to all customers, relationship managers began offering solutions such as term protection for young earners and retirement plans for middle-aged clients. This shift improved persistency ratios, reduced complaints, and strengthened long-term customer trust, highlighting how compliance and business growth can work together effectively.